I really, really admire her. She's beautiful, she dances amazingly, she's a brilliant actress. And she's a great person. Like, what else?
To be in the same frame with her is really nice, but to dance with her is a little embarrassing because she's exceptional. There can never be another Madhuri Dixit. Nobody comes close to her.
She personifies grace, she personifies beauty, she personifies sensuality in a subtle manner.
You can't take your eyes off her when she moves.
I would say to everybody, come there, sit back, enjoy and watch Madhuri Dixit dance.
I thought, identified a lot with the character in the sense that she goes abroad, she lives there for many years, and she has a daughter there. Now she's coming back to India. Somewhere I felt the same. There are parallels to my own life with what I was playing on screen. That I had gone away for a long time. I had 2 kids. I was come to India, and again it had something to do with arts and dancing, and something that's very close to my heart. What made this special was it's not just dance and music, it's the human relations, the emotional kind of bonding with all the characters in the movie.
It's about the spirit of community living, it's about the spirit of everyday people coming together and sort of coming from varied backgrounds with varied problems and yet coming together in a significant enough way and a real enough way to make a difference to the community that they live in.
And it's such a fantastic chance to just, put them up there. Say yaar ye dekho, aapke bare mein ye picture.
We are bonding on very different levels in the movie, and somewhere there is an emotional content because we all are fighting for something. We are all are fighting for a dying art.
अजंता, मेरे शामली शहर का अजंता थिएटर। यहाँ जब नाच की मौज, गानों की मस्ती, हंसी के मसाले और दोस्ती की खुशबू उड़ती थी, तो दूर दूर तक लोग झूम जाते थे। यहीं पर मैंने नाचना सीखा, उड़ना सीखा, जीना सीखा। और अब शामली के ही लोग अजंता को गिरा रहे हैं, पर मैं ऐसा होने नहीं दूंगी।
When we were watching the footage, in every scene, Diya was becoming Madhuri and Madhuri was becoming Diya.
देखेंगे इस शहर को भी और इसके लोगों को भी। शो तो मैं करवाऊंगी और इन्हीं लोगों से करवाऊंगी। आप देख लेना।
The fact that Madhuri was going to be the protagonist gave the film its character of music and dance and theatre. Actually, it gave the film its identity.
This is a sign of great artists that we are able to tap into an unknown vibe from the atmosphere through antennas which nobody sees and bring them into the performance and create a kind of a subtext which raises every scene to a level much higher than what the conceiver had imagined.
Great to capture a character when they're going through a change or what brings about that change and how they react to changes around them, how they grow as a person. And that's what happens to Anokhi and to most of the people in the village who are touched. In some way their lives are affected by Diya.
सटक के पटक दूंगी, लटक के मर जाएगा। माँ को मौसी बोलने लगेगा।
क्या बोली तू?
Let's take it again, please.
I loved Anokhi's character. I couldn't imagine how I would ever say those lines. I still just barely understand those words.
सटक के पटक दूंगी, लटक के मर जाएगा। माँ को मौसी बोलने लगेगा।
क्या बोली तू? क्या बोली?
कान के नीचे रख के दूँ एक, सब ठीक सुनने लगेगा।
I don't know what Konkana's parents have been feeding her when she was a kid, but she's another completely exceptional talent. I think this industry is very privileged to have an actor like that.
Imran, played by Kunal, is a local toughie. Imran believes to the core of his being that tough guys don't dance.
ये अमेरिका से जो नाच गाने का कल्चर उठा के लाई हो ना तुम, वो यहाँ चलने नहीं देंगे हम. So somebody who's very scared and he tries to mask that fear by using aggression, and his only way to mask that fear is that to keep people away from him, to be aggressive with people that are around him, so that nobody can really look inside him.
एक दूंगा साली को दाल बाहर आ जाएंगे. 3 दिन हो गए जों की तरह चिपकी हुई है. हाथ ले, नाच कर, ये कर, वो कर. दिमाग नहीं है तेरे में?
As a very committed actor and a very honest and sincere person, he brings a lot of value to that film.
आज आपकी वजह से मेरी वाइफ ने पहली बार मेरी इंस्ट्रक्शन मानने से इनकार किया.
This could be a point.
हाँ,
Now,
पहली बार मेरी इंस्ट्रक्शन मानने से इनकार किया. आज पहली बार. And then
Mr. Chojar is a government servant who's very well played by Vinay Pathak.
The vision that Anil and Adi had was so correct, because halfway through the film I realized that it's not a stereotypical conventional character. There's so much to play with.
I have come to apply for a post in your cultural program. चाय भी आपकी, मैं भी आपका.
Ranveer plays a very charming character called Mohan, who has a small restaurant in town. The core of his being actually is his love for someone, which was never returned quite in the manner that he dreamt of.
All I have to do is somewhere in the middle of the scene I have to switch off and say to myself, I am Ranveer, she's Madhuri Dixit, I am saying I love you, and I know that I don't stand a chance actually.
अंग्रेजी जरा पैदल है, मगर सफर लंबा हो तो इन सब चीजों का क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
I used to think that I'm the most patient, the most calm person in the world. But I know there's someone else too, and that's Mr. Anil Mehta.
You should isolate the hand and then come up to this hand.
He knew exactly what he wanted. He would come up to me and say that was a little too over the top, or that was a little too subtle, or whatever.
He's very good with actors. He's a cuddly, sweet little teddy bear for all the actors, not for any technician.
It's a great environment. It's a great vibe that everyone shares. And I think the whole credit goes to, most of the credit goes to Anil Mehta and his entire team.
From here, then instead of ending up there, if you end up here, no, the camera is.
Where do you want me to be? I'll come there.
I felt I was in very, very capable hands.